Remember the chaotic pullout of the United States military and its NATO partners from Afghanistan in August 2021? Well, the mad scramble of desperate Afghans, fearing retribution by the Taliban to flee the war-ravaged nation, had garnered international headlines. It highlighted the sense of impending doom that was felt by scores of Afghans. Close to 4 years later, on 15th of July this year, the British Defence Secretary John Healey revealed that thousands of Afghans who worked for or with the British Armed Forces over the combat years were brought to the UK in a secret program after a 2022 data breach put their lives at stake. The unveiling of the scheme to the British Parliament by the Defence Secretary happened the same day the UK High Court lifted a super injunction order banning reports of the events. At the same time, Healey also announced that the Afghanistan response route had now been closed. Let's decode what exactly happened. In February 2022, barely 6 months after the Taliban seized Kabul and 10 months after the introduction of the Afghan relocations and assistance policy, a defense official emailed a spreadsheet containing the personal information of nearly 19,000 ARAP applicants to someone outside the Ministry of Defense. The government says that the individual thought that they were sending a list of about 150 names, not the whole set. With this leak, Afghans and their families who had worked with Western forces were put at risk of retribution. The previous Conservative government learnt of the leak only in August 2023 when a disgruntled Afghan man who was turned down for relocation posted 9 names from the list on Facebook. On 1st of September that year, in damage control mode, the Ministry of Defence asked a court to issue an injunction. The court, fearing as many as 100,000 people could be affected by the leak, issued a super injunction, banning any mention of it in Parliament or by press. In April 2024, a secret program called the Afghanistan Response Route is put in place by the government to help those judged to be at the highest risk of reprisals by the Taliban. Under the covert setup, some 900 Afghans and 3,600 family members have been brought to Britain or are in transit at a cost of around £400 million or $540 million as per the Defence Secretary. They are among 36,000 Afghans who have been accepted by the British under various schemes since Kabul fell in August 2021. Both Afghan schemes are now closed. A couple of days after the admission of the data breach, the Taliban government said that it has not arrested or monitored Afghans affected by the leak. Many now plan to sue the British government for putting them in danger from the Taliban.